Hey there loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 easy fall decor looks for your coffee table. So if that's something you guys are interested in, then please keep on watching. For this first look, I'm going to start off by putting down that beautiful brown vase. I absolutely love that vase. I got that from my mother-in-law. Then on the side of it, I'm going to add a couple coffee table books, as well as this bowl that's shaped in the form of a 4-leaf clover. But it just looks really cute for this look because it is brown as well. I'm going to also add a tray to my table. For my stems, I'm going to be using some greenery for this look, but you guys can also DIY this if you want to change up the color. Use some spray paint in the color brown or like a rusty red or orange or yellow or whatever you want to make it look a lot more fall. I do plan to do that later on down, but for right now, we're going to keep that green look. I folded all the stems towards the bottom, which allows it to look a lot more fuller in the vase versus just putting it in there. So you use a lot less stems to make the vase look fuller. For my bowl filler, I'm just going to add some of these acorns as well as these like twigs that are balled up in a ball. I'm not too sure what they're called, but I use them around the fall time as well as the winter, and I just love using those as a filler. For my tray, I'm going to use this candle in the scent Fruity Tootie. It's a very fruity smelling candle, and then I'm going to use my DIY little candlestick holder that I added a scratcher to the back for lighting the candles, as well as some coasters, and that is the final look for look number 1. For my second look, I'm going in with this clear round vase that I am fighting the urge to DIY. I really want to DIY this vase, but for right now, we're going to leave it clear. On one side, I'm going to add a stack of 4 coffee table books, and on the other side, I'm going to add my candle holder. The stems for this look are these very pretty yellowish orange with streaks of brown. It just looks like fall to me. I'm not sure if these are also eucalyptus stems, but they look like them. But they're a nice fall shade, and I just love this look. I usually put this in a really tall vase on my buffet table, but I decided to use it on my coffee table instead for this look, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to be adding this pumpkin on top of my books, as well as adding my Tutti Frutti candle to my candle holder, and also adding my DIY matchstick holder to the table, and that is it for this look. Let me know down below which look is your favorite and which look you think I chose for my coffee table. For the third look, I'm going in with my DIY black vase, as well as a lot of coffee table books. In front of it, I'm adding a stack of 2 coffee table books, and on the side, I'm adding a stack of 3 coffee table books. My choice of stems for this look are those little short green bushy stems. I just love the look of it. It looks nice and cozy and cute, but not overwhelming. I'm also going to add 2 pumpkins to those books that are turned to the side, as well as my candle, my matchstick holder, and some coasters for the table. This look was very easy, very simple, very minimal, and it didn't scream fall, but it also said we're expecting fall. For my last and final look, I'm going in with that black vase again. I'm adding a stack of 2 coffee table books in front of it, and on the side I'm adding my 4-tier candle holder. I like to use this candle holder mainly in the winter time, but I thought it would be perfect for this look. For my choice of stems, I'm going in with that beautiful yellow, orange, brown stem again, just to lighten up the table, because I just love the look of the stems. I think these are my favorites so far. If you'd like to add some candlesticks to your table, you can also go ahead and add the candlesticks to the holder. I chose not to, but I am going to use some filler in the center of my candle holder. I'm also going to be adding that pumpkin on top of my books again, just to add a little pop more of color to the table. So which look was your favorite, and which look you think I chose? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give your girl a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you have not as yet, and I will see y'all in my next video. Until then, choose.